In today's video, I'm going to teach you what 123 Form Builder is and how you can make the most of it in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. To get started with 123 Form Builder, you'll first need to visit their website at 123formbuilder.com. Once you're there, you'll have the option to either sign up if you're new or log in if you've already created an account. This can be done easily using your email or, if you prefer, through Google, which can streamline the process and save you a bit of time. Once you've logged in, you'll see the option to create a form. Click on Create Form, and you'll be presented with a selection of templates designed for various purposes like contact forms, surveys, quizzes, and more. Choosing a template is a great way to kick off because it provides a structured foundation that you can customize to your liking. With the drag and drop interface, personalizing your form becomes an intuitive process. You can easily add or remove fields by dragging them from the side menu to the form layout, making 123 Form Builder a highly versatile tool regardless of whether your needs are simple or complex. After you've crafted your perfect form, the next step is to configure the settings. Navigate to the Settings tab to set up email notifications. This is a crucial feature if you want to be alerted when someone submits a form. Here, you can also integrate with third-party apps like Google Sheets or MailChimp. Such integrations can automate parts of your workflow. For example, pushing responses directly to a Google Sheet can save you the hassle of manual data entry, while syncing with MailChimp can help streamline your marketing efforts. When you finish setting everything up, it's time to make your form live by publishing it. Once you click Publish, you'll be given a link to your form. You can easily copy this link to share with others. If you prefer to embed the form directly into your website, the platform provides you with an embed code. Embedding it seamlessly integrates the form into your web pages, providing a smooth experience for your visitors. Finally, as responses start rolling in, you'll be able to view them right from the 123 Form Builder dashboard. The dashboard provides a comprehensive overview that's easily navigable, allowing you to quickly assess the data collected. If you need to analyze this data further or back it up, you also have the option to export it into various formats, ensuring you can work with it in the manner that suits your needs best. And there you have it, a simple yet effective walkthrough of what 123 Form Builder offers and how you can begin utilizing it to collect, manage, and analyze information efficiently. Whether you're collecting customer feedback or organizing a quiz, 123 Form Builder offers a seamless solution that can adapt to your specific requirements. Thanks for watching, and happy form building!